At last, I have finally accomplished my goals and finished my life work. After many years, I've created the ultimate book that has the power to restore common sense to the world. Yes, my friends, common sense. Do you believe this to be an unnecessary task? Have you not wandered through the streets and witnessed how people lack the ability to make good judgments? They have lost the attitude. They can no longer learn from their mistakes, but now, with this beautiful creation of mine, this book they will excel in learning. The outcome I am expecting is very positive. I consider people must learn from themselves and from others. It's not always a good choice to follow our instincts because not everyone acts the best way. They should not work out a problem. People need to learn how to change the way they usually think about their surroundings. The way you communicate with others reflects the quality of your thought and feelings. Me and another intellectual masters have studied a lot about this issue. People need to reflect the best of themselves and infect others in order to live in a healthy environment. In this book that I have been developing for years, I finally got to the conclusion that it's all about the street smart strategy. That's right. I mean, people nowadays need to improve or develop the ability to handle all types of situations. And now more than ever because the world is getting more challenging and the latest generation are being educated in a terrible way because they think other people can solve their problems. The solution of this is called No Common Sense Generation is in my book How to Master Common Sense for Dummies.
Created using Powtoon.